Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bolero toner and face cream in the sparkling pear and honey scent. These are $1.25 each at your local Dollar Tree. First we're going to focus on talking about the toner. The toner is 5 ounces. It is lightly scented, and you definitely can smell the honey and the pear in the toner. It's a nice warm scent. The toner cleanses your pores, helps reduce redness, and you can use this before your makeup or after makeup removal twice daily. And overall, the toner does what it's supposed to, and I really enjoyed it. I've purchased the Bolero toners in the past and will continue to do so, so definitely recommend that. Now moving on to the face cream. The facial cream is 3 ounces, and you can barely smell the scent of honey or pear in it. It has an extra light scent to it. I personally prefer my facial cream not to have a very loud scent, so I'm okay with that. It is moisturizing on the skin. It quickly absorbs into the skin, and the consistency of the cream is perfect. It's not too thick or thin, so it's kind of in the middle of that. It leaves no greasy residue on the skin, so because it absorbs quite quickly, this will be perfect moisturizer to apply before makeup. It absorbs quickly and there's no greasy, oily residue left behind. I do like the cream, and I didn't have any skin issues after using these products, and I have normal skin. I'm not sensitive. Take that in consideration. Overall, a great skincare product for the price, and I would repurchase this. 10 out of 10 recommend. And I definitely hope that you guys can find some of these Bolero products at your local Dollar Tree. I hope you found the review helpful, and will stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. If you have any other comments or questions regarding the Bolero products, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. And thank you so very much for watching.